बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं डॉक्टर असलम जावेद और आपको दी एक्सियम एकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पे खुशामदीद कहता हूं। लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का आज 8th लेक्चर। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने ब्लड रिलेशंस के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे, ब्लड रिलेशन का टॉपिक डिस्कस किया था, उसी को आज कंटिन्यू करते हैं। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने कुछ सिनेरियोज डिस्कस किए थे, सिचुएशन डिस्कस की थी, लेकिन आज हमारे पास उस तरह से लार्जर सिनेरियोज नहीं है, रादर कुछ कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चंस होंगे आज। तो चलते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, ए टोल्ड बी दैट सी इज हिज फादर्स नेफ्यू। ए ने बी से कहा कि सी जो उसके फादर का नेफ्यू है। ए टोल्ड बी, ए ने बी से कहा दैट सी इज हिज फादर्स नेफ्यू। हम यहाँ पे बात करते हैं ए की। ए इज फादर एंड हिज नेफ्यू इज सी। डी इज ए's cousin but not brother of C. D जो है ए का cousin है but not brother of C. It means D is a female. क्योंकि C का ब्रदर नहीं है तो वो उसकी सिस्टर हो सकती है, और D जो है वो ए का इस तरह से कजन भी बन जाएगा। What is the relationship between D and C? And so D and C are brother and sister, और D is a sister of, so इस तरह से D और C के दरमियान ब्रदर सिस्टर का रिलेशन है। So C is a brother of D, means C option. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। अली showed an old man and said his son is my son's uncle. अब यहाँ पे अली showed an old man and said his son of this old man is my son's uncle. His son is my son's uncle. Here is Ali. In this way, the son of this old man, which is the brother of Ali, would become the uncle of Ali's son. How old man is related to Ali? How old man is related to Ali mean? Old man is the father of Ali. So answer is B option. Ali showed an old man, this one old man, and said his son, the son of the old man, is my son's uncle. This son of old man is the uncle of Ali's son. Uncle of Ali's son would means that old man's son is the brother of Ali. So this way the old man would become the father of Ali, and that's the answer is B option. Introducing a man, a woman said his wife is the only daughter of my father. This is a man. His wife is the only daughter of my father. That means woman's father. Woman's father, only daughter means she is herself. Here is the father, and her father's only daughter means she herself. So she is the wife of that man, or another way, that man is the husband of the woman. So answer is D option. If Amr is the brother of the son of Suhail's son, Amir is the brother of the son of Suhail's son. Here is Suhail, son of Suhail, and his son. This person is the son of Suhail's son, and Amr is the brother. Amr is the brother of son of Suhail's son. Amr is the brother of son of Suhail's son. This person is son of Suhail's son, and Amr is his brother. So the relationship between Amr and Suhail is the grandfather of Amr, or Amr is the grandson of Suhail. So grandson is the relation between Suhail and son, Suhail and Amr, or the other option could be the grandfather, but here is the option only grandson. So answer would be D option. Moving to next question. Pointing to a person, man said to a woman, his mother is the only daughter of your father. Pointing to a person, man said to a woman, his mother is the only daughter of your father. So pointing to a person, हम इसको पर्सन को यहाँ पे इसके बना लेते हैं। मैन सेड टू अ वुमन, एक आदमी ने वुमन से कहा, हिज मदर, द मदर ऑफ दिस पर्सन, इज द ओनली डॉटर ऑफ योर फादर। अब वुमन से कहा द ओनली डॉटर ऑफ योर फादर। ओनली डॉटर मीन शी हरसेल्फ। सो यहाँ पे इस वुमन से कहा जा रहा है, दैट मैन इज सेइंग टू दिस वुमन दैट, एंड पॉइंटिंग टू दिस पर्सन एंड सेइंग दिस, दैट the mother of this person is the only daughter of your father. Means she is the only daughter of her father and that person is son of this woman. So the answer is, what was the relationship between woman and person? That woman is the mother of that person. So answer is B option. तो ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.